Nice to meet you all. My name is Pasquale Bombino, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of IIO. IIO is a conversational AI platform based on the voice and including also the emotion recognition capability. We aim to help the business to better listen to their customer needs. So today, the customer experience is becoming more and more important for every company, but also for any market domain. But at the same time, the majority, almost 80% of the customer are not yet satisfied. They would like to have a better experience, a more tailored, more personalized experience. And just in the last 12 months, the 60% of them decided to churn, so to change brand due to exactly a poor experience. But at the same time, almost the totality of them would like to have in their dreams a more empathetic interaction. On the other side, the company are investing a huge amount of effort and so budget in order to improve the customer support, but also to run survey and to promote services and product. The end is that, again, huge cost for them, but not satisfaction from the end user perspective. And we are talking about a 70 billion global market. So the problem is clear. Customer wants personalized experience, but also a reliability of the data from everywhere and from any time, so 24/7. In this context, IIO is representing a new AI platform that is able to listen to the customer and give voice to their needs. But what is IIO? So IIO is a customer experience management platform that is able to, let me say, comply with several operations and several departments or organization. Marketing, sales, HR, other than, of course, customer care and operation. Is built upon three key elements. The first is the advanced conversational capability. Here integrate a proprietary AI conversational engine, patented. We already applied for the patent back in October 22, that is able to run conversation and dynamically manage and drive the conversation based on original intent and context, but also based on the emotion evolution of the speaker during the conversation itself. The second element is human voice and emotion recognition and classification. We do have, once again, a proprietary technology that help us to identify the speaker, so the end user, but also their emotion, in order then to profile better and manage in a better way the conversation. The third element is the business knowledge. So we are integrating the generative AI in order to be able to make a data ingestion, create our data set, but also in the output to create document, report, analysis, and then run automatically in an autonomous way conversation without human intervention. Of course, we are also providing a platform and the dashboard that is able not just to manage the end user, so profile, feature, and services, but also for getting access to a wide range of analytics and data correlation. Other than making a better experience, we would like also to strengthen the customer engagement, and we do it in 4 different ways. First, listen everywhere, every time. We are a cross-channel, omni-channel platform. We can really understand what the customer wants, and based on data correlation and prediction, we can also predict their behavior and their needs. We can act fast, we can provide always the right information, and then we can able also to learn every time there is an interaction in order to improve still our competence of the platform data set. A very quick mention of our technology. As I was already mentioned, we already applied for the first patent on the adaptive conversation engine, but we are also now already working on the voice biomarker recognition technology that we are going to patent in the next quarters in order to be able to recognize the speaker, recognize their mood and emotion, but also recognize gender and range of age. So a complete profiling of the end speaker. Here can fit perfectly in any company process and infrastructure. Is built between 3 different products. IIO Insight. This is the perfect, combination for providing data ingestion or exporting, data capability, and analytics capability. We can also access specifically, we do have a specific plugin for the customer call center for getting access to recorded conversation and make our, let me say, analytics, or even an agent in order to be provided live runtime to the physical operator in order to better manage a conversation, a call with the customer. We do have also IIO Connect. Imagine to have your virtual call center able to manage any kind of request that comes from the end user, smart assistant, personal care agent, whatever is inbound activity and task, we can manage in a virtual way without human intervention anymore. So quite huge improvement in terms of performance, but also in terms of cost optimization. Last IIO is IIO Engage. Imagine the same capability, so to run virtually and autonomously any kind of task, but in an outbound. So commercial proposal, survey, marketing research, up to a training of employee formation, etc. Still in an autonomous way without any human intervention. We take very seriously also the security aspect, and this is why we can run and integrate our platform on both on cloud or also on-prem. And we are one of the very few worldwide that are working in order to integrate the generative AI in a private sandbox approach, still for providing the maximum security. Market is a huge market, and we are addressing 2 key elements. The first is the voice-enabled service, so whatever is related to the intelligent virtual assistants, 44 billion. And the other one is the customer experience management, again, 24. So combined, it is almost 70 billion. We are already discussing in cross, domain. We already started the first field trial deployment with a big corporate in the fintech. We are talking also in starting a new one in the banking system, in the healthcare in the next couple of months. And we are approaching a big partnership with the customer experience corporate. Our business model is a typical SaaS, again, on cloud, on-prem, but we do have also a recurring, not recurring, or even pay-per-use, approach in order to be able to comply with any possible concern on the customer side. We are in a B2B and B2B2C, and we are planning to go into the market with both direct or indirect through partnered and integration, approach. We are looking for 1.5 million in terms of seed fundraising, and we are going to open by Q3 this year. We would like to strengthen our R&D team, of course, and accelerate the R&D development phase. But at the same time, we want also to strengthen the commercial, teams in order to go up to 3 million euro in the next couple of years. Here is a snapshot of what we are looking for and what we are going to achieve. We plan in 2025 to be break-even, so positive, going beyond 3 million revenue, and we are planning also to reach more than 11 million by 2027. Other than myself, that I do have a quite long experience as both entrepreneur and also as a executive guys in the big corporate around the world. This startup was built within Full Farm Venture Studio. Full Farm is one of the bigger venture builder here in Italy, and so I do have almost 30 dedicated teams, especially in the R&D, that are working and helping me in order to kick off and grow this company furthermore. So thanks again for your attention. I'm here.